Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time Design Team project. And so today I am using Frosty Kisses Stamp and Dies, and I'm using Missing You out of there. And I'm also using Winter Greetings Stamp and Dies, and I'm using Just a Note, as well as, there's one other thing I'm using. It's in one of these sets, but I'm not sure which one. I'm using the butterfly plate, as well as the 2x2 note card set. And this will be back in stock, I want to say, on the 26th of March. So just keep an eye out for that. And then also I am using the Springtime Charm 2026, and I'm using this paper here. And here goes these cute little cards along with the envelopes. I thought they turned out so cute. I'm using vellum envelope again, but let me take these out of the package. Give me one sec, I'll be right back. And here we go. These are the most simplest note cards. I love them. They're perfect to go like in on the side of a bag if you want to just like leave a little note for you, sentiment or something like that. Perfect. Anyway, so these are what I have created. And I did use that little, almost everything that came with that set. I also used this one here, which has a little bit bitty lines that you can add a sentiment to it. And I also added some color in the background. And then I just popped on that little butterfly, and the inside looks like that. For all of them, I didn't do anything else other than that on the inside. But we have Happy Birthday, Just a Note, and Missing You. And those were perfect. And I positioned the butterflies a little differently for each card, but I thought those were super cute. And hopefully this has inspired you to either pull out yours or to go over and purchase your set. If you'd like to use my discount code, it is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or on release weekends it is 15% off. You can use any of the designers' codes, and that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.